gaan nou so swaai. Nie te veel nie. Tonight I'm gonna open the bonnet and turn the engine by hand, lubricate it a bit, maybe. Oh wow, they're not even tight. Look at that 50-year-old spark plug. So we turning the engine. Oh, by the way, I found some spotlights to mount on those two brackets there and there. I thought I'll just leave them there for now, but I just wanted to show you there's like a little gap where you put your slinger, I don't know what you call it, in. It's a long rod that comes out to about here with a handle, and then you turn the engine, you crank it. Old days, surely somebody knows, but I don't have that. Also, if you look, I don't know if you can see there is a bolt. It looks funny. You're obviously gonna need a special tool for that. And I don't have it. So the way we are turning the engine is going underneath the car, and then we go to this little service hole, and you see the ring gear, the flywheel with gears for the starter. And basically what we do is I put a strong screwdriver in there like this, and I turn the engine slowly and not too difficult. So that's how we turn it. Sorry for the funny angles. Yeah. And this is my marking. This little line where it was. This fin, the top of this fin was lining up with that mark, and that's how far I've turned it so far. I need to turn it all the way around once, at least back to here, and then I am going to try and swing it with the starter. So we've been turning the engine gear for gear for the past 2 days, and we've managed to get it around. And now if I engage the starter, pistons. So next, spark plugs can go back in soon. But before we do that, we need to check distributor. I see the carbs are also a little bit needs a service, and I need to service this fuel pump. We've taken off both carburetors. Check, they go directly into the head. There's no intake manifold. And here they are. So we've cleaned these parts, but they don't work inside, so I decided to take off the whole unit and clean every little bit. Sorry guys, I forgot to shoot. So this is the parts of the first carb, the float. I need to still clean. But I sort of clean these ones. That's where the float fits. I took out this bolt. I've tightened it already. Basically it's just where this needle goes into. And I sort of cleaned it. It's not factory spec. It's clean enough. Comment below. Progress. So how do I do this so you can see? I push it all the way to the top very easily, and it drops all the way to the bottom very easily. Everything is back intact. Still a bit blurred out there. Everything is working. I'm happy. One down. Oops. One more to go. But it's progress. Day 2 on the carbs. So we've stripped all of the fuel pumps that we found, and we put one together. So out of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, we got some action. Pumping. So we've got fuel pump. Next, distributor. Okay, so I didn't take off the distributor. I just got all these wires tight. They were all loose. I cleaned the points, serviced the condenser, and we have spark all the way through to these spark plugs. I've put them in, but now the battery is flat.
All together now. 1, 2, 3.
radar.
Amper.
Ek iets vas.
Klein voet.
Moet ek hier druk?
Ja.
Net 'n beter liewer daar kyk.
Lekker petrol daar so die pistolette. Okay, cut.
Okay. So we've made a new key. How's my key? And action. Hello people, hello. So take one, we're gonna start it, we're gonna drive it. Petrol case is there. Oh, hopefully it doesn't fall off. It's tied up with a thingy, battery's connected. Waiting for the key, I still have the wires connected. Je hang om, nee. Je hang om, nee. Finally, I can have her washed, and she's driving. Now we found out that the what you call it, the generator is not working. So once everything is cleaned, I'll I'll attend to that. But I hope you enjoyed the drive. I'm not qualified to drive this car. I'm too used to automatic.